Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Rin Quest must be active and Azure Latch available. First, equip the tether tool and a stamina booster so you can sustain the latch window. Then move to the exact latch location, use a waypoint marker and clear nearby threats. Once done, approach the mechanism slowly to avoid triggering resets. Make sure your quick save is in an open slot. This lets you reload if the latch times out without losing progress. You now execute the latch sequence. Hold interact until the charge sound peaks, because partial charges reset the sequence. Once the blue pulse appears, release exactly on the second pulse. Timing prevents a forced cooldown. While the latch cycles, deploy a teammate or decoy to pull patrols away. This is crucial for the 12 to 18 second stabilization window. If you lose focus, pause and reorient your camera toward the latch. Consistent aim reduces failure probability. You finish by verifying the latch. A solid blue light and an immediate quest progress tick confirm success. Once secured, collect rewards and move to the next objective. Make sure to perform a manual save if the game allows. If the latch fails, reload your quick save and tighten your timing window, usually 0.20. 5 seconds earlier fixes it. And if failures persist despite correct execution, record a short clip and submit a bug report so developers can patch or reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.